It's been another day of storms. It's been windy out. Of course, here comes Max, as always. But we had another bad storm come through yesterday and last night. I don't know what it is with these storms these days. We're having a lot of them. It's really put a kink into my working on my garden, because it's either been raining out here or horrible wind storms knocking trees down, tornadoes. What do you want? I'm not talking to you, Max. I'm talking to the camera, okay? Max down there thinking I'm talking to him. Look at this. This cat. Camera hog. I'm gonna start calling you camera hog, Max. Jeez. I swear. Max likes to get under my feet no matter where I go. I could come out here just to walk out here, and the cat will get under my feet. I've been putting kitchen scraps out here on top of the compost pile instead of in my 4x8 raised bed garden. I think the raccoons have been coming out here. Max just found something. But you see how some of it's knocked down. I don't think the wind did that. It may have. There's an eggshell back there too. But I think the critters have climbed up right here, got up there to see what they can find. They like to come out here and, find table scraps that I put out here. I guess that's the bad thing about composting and bringing in table scraps to compost, is because the animals always come out here and they always look around, see what they can fill their belly with. I haven't seen any rats. That's good. I have seen possums and raccoons though. And Max is always here. I've seen a couple of stray cats. There's stray cats living all back in here. I've counted maybe 3 stray cats that I know of. But there's also a couple of cats that belong to my neighbors that wander over here. But the cats are always, good mousers. They keep the mice down, they keep other critters down. They chase birds. I hear a chainsaw. I think somebody's over there cutting one of those trees up. Yeah, there's different trees that have been knocked down. Different trees. Bits and pieces here and there. I'm surprised some of these trees didn't come totally down. Got some pretty big ones here. This is new. This wasn't down just the other day. Oh, I see. Came off right there. That tree was dead and rotten anyway. Oh, I see poison ivy. Jeez, I hate that stuff. All right, I need to kill out the poison ivy again. Oh well. These are some of my project cars. Something I've been putting off for too long. I got to get back to work on these things. I need to fix them and sell them. I need to do work to them and just get them gone. It's starting to look like the typical Tennessee hillbilly yard back here. I've got, I don't know if you can see it, but 1, 2, 3, 4. The gold Honda back here is 5 sitting here. And then inside the shed, I've got that 86 Toyota Celica. Uh, that makes 6 vehicles sitting around right here that need worked on. And Max has not helped me at all in these cars. Have you, Max? Okay, well, I really got to get busy on things. You know, that's one thing about working a job, especially when you work weird hour jobs. The weird hour jobs always get in the way of being able to do projects and do things like, you know, working your cars and stuff like that, because you always feel worn out. Not only that, but you always feel like you don't ever have enough money either. That's an old rabbit hutch. I gotta tear that thing down, just get it gone. Or I could just leave it here and let it rot. Oh no, I'll make up my mind later. All right. Never ending. Never ending. What am I gonna do with all this? I was gonna burn it, but I'm thinking maybe I need to get a wood chipper and just chip it all up. Maybe I could use it somewhere. Use it as mulch. All right, well, I guess I've gabbied, whatever you call it. Jibber jabbered way too much. I'm hearing the birds. Oh, some tall trees. Those trees withstood all that wind we had. I'm amazed. All right. We had a tremendous amount of wind coming through. These trees right here, this row of trees right here, I'm surprised they didn't snap out by their roots. Those things were like this. I mean, they were just going back and forth and everything. Max, what do you want? What do you want? What? What do you want? Huh? Are you being a camera hog? Huh? Max being a camera hog? Yeah, okay. Max is a camera hog. Are you hungry again? All right, let me go get you some food. I already fed you, but I don't know. Maybe you need some comfort food because of all the storms. All right, well, I was going to make a garden update video today, but when you know it, it rained and it rained and it stormed, and I can see it's probably good that I waited, because now I can see where all the Johnson grass is coming up, and I can get all that Johnson grass up by the roots. And back there too. That Johnson grass, that stuff puts roots under the ground. They're as big as around in my finger or bigger, that just travels under the ground. You gotta get all those roots out. That's one reason you gotta dig. If you don't dig, you don't get the roots out. All right, well, I guess that's my update on my garden. Talk to you later. Bye.